how fast is your house? Get Xfinity, America's fastest internet provider according to PC Mag.